What's up, you guys? It's Thomas coming back at you again with another YouTube video, and today I am unboxing my new record player. If you can't tell, I'm very excited. My dog is apparently excited too. So this is it. It's the Audio-Technica AT-LP60X. So it's basically like one of the entry-level ones. I don't know if this is the cheapest one, but it's definitely one of the cheapest ones. I'll put a link to it in the description, but it was like $120, so definitely not very cheap. And I got it in gunmetal silver. I'll show you right now, but I've had the record player that I have right now, or used to have. So I got it in like 2018 for Christmas, and I've been using it pretty faithfully since then. I think it's okay, but I feel like at this point I have like, I think 15 records now. So it's not like a lot, but I feel like at this point it's like time to upgrade. I want to make sure my stuff isn't getting even more damaged, because some of them actually are damaged. But yeah, I like saved up my money and I was like, okay, it's time to upgrade. So this is what we got. It came in the mail really fast actually. It was like it came within 2 days. I don't know if this is gonna work, but I plan to plug it into my guitar amp for now until I get like big studio speakers. But yeah, so I'm kind of done talking here. I just want to get into it. If you want to read more about it, you can. But yeah, I just want to open it up. So very excited. Over that, so this is what the box looks like. Hopefully it's not as big as the box is. Open this up. Here's the big reveal. And it's just a bunch of this stuff. So I'll look at that in a second. But right now, I want to see what this looks like in real life. Hello. Wow. Wow. Okay, so this is the actual thing. These are probably the chords. And then I do not know what this is. Is this the turntable? Let me open this up next. Whoa. Okay, this is the actual. Oh. Whoa. Oh. Okay, so you do have to set it up. Oh my gosh, the needle is unprotected. Wow, that's really cool. Okay. And then we got a speed, 33 or 45, start, stop, and then I think that's to raise the needle and to lower it. So, information, what is this? This is all safety precautions, not reading that. Drive belt, that's the disc, and then the Audio-Technica thing goes on top of it, and then this is one of these you plug into the wall, the other you can plug into your speakers. Unbox this. Okay, I got it out of the cardboard, I need to get it out of this plastic. Whoa, 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 things are coming apart. Okay, this is the plate, this is the actual drive belt. Whoa, it's right there. Okay, now let me read before. Okay, so, jeez. So it looks like this, and then yeah, okay, it goes onto this somehow. Oh, okay. Okay, it goes around it. I think I got it on. And you get this cover. This is like, whoa, okay. It's like this. So that's what the record goes on. I'm going to move my old record player. I'm going to move the camera, I need to move around. It's not really sad because I'm still going to have this, but this thing has served me for 2 years. But it's time to go. I have so many cords back here. It's embarrassing. Okay, so move out the way. So it's time to move it in. It is a little bit bigger than the other, but I think. And then you need to plug it in. Can't see what I'm doing, but I'm just plugging in a plug. Okay. Whoa! It started turning. I don't know why it started turning. And now it stopped. Okay, this is my Fender Mustang LT25. I don't even think the cord can reach all the way over there. Bruh, what is it? How do you even fail? How do you fail on unboxing? Okay, so I just turned on my amp and plugged it in. Let me show you. This is what's going on here. Like this. I think the first record I ever played was American Teen by Khalid, so that's what we're going to play here. I want to try this whole start. So apparently it's going to, oh. It's moving. See if it works. I can hear it coming from the needle. Alright guys, try number 3. I found an aux cord, so I kind of ditched this cord, and this is the one that came with it. Put that in. Okay, that cord fit so far. And into this aux. Now press start. Whoa. Is that louder, or is that just me? Let's hope that this chart works. No. I think it's working. So it works, but I can't change the volume on it. Okay, so I've got this speaker. Okay. And I've got this ion speaker. Let's see if this works. That's a better volume. Okay, so 2 bad things. I don't have a needle cover, which I'm not sure why. So I want to still figure out if there's a way I can plug it into my amp, because I don't want that speaker there. But it didn't seem like there was a way to turn it down. So other than that, I think that's the video. Thank you guys for watching. It was like fun. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.